Good afternoon, everyone. This is Sandhya from Ashoka Marg branch. Today, we are going to we are going to study peaks. So, here we have two peaks, Mount Godwin Austen and here Mount Kanchenjunga. So, these are the two peaks that we will study today, and then we will study water bodies. While showing peaks, we have to use black pen, and a triangle is the symbol that we have to mark on the map. So, now let's go to the first peak, that is Mount Kanchenjunga. Kanchenjunga is a peak which is on the boundary of Nepal and Sikkim. So let's first observe the place properly. As I told you before, this is Nepal and this is Sikkim. This is the boundary. This is a common boundary that is shared by Nepal and Sikkim. Exactly on this boundary, we have the peak Mount Kanchenjunga. Now you can mark a triangle there. So you can take black pen and you have to mark a triangle. While marking the triangle, one side of the triangle will be coming on the boundary of Sikkim and Nepal. I'll repeat, the triangle that you will draw will be on the boundary of Nepal and Sikkim. So the first side of the triangle I will draw on the boundary. I will have to start from the northern tip of Sikkim here. A small triangle will have to draw here, this way, right? So I have drawn a triangle on the boundary of Nepal and Sikkim. The place is very small, so we will have to draw a small triangle here. This triangle should connect the northern tip of Sikkim, or we can say the northern boundary of Nepal. It should be on the common boundary of Nepal and Sikkim. Let's label this triangle. So this triangle will be labeling it as Mount Kanchenjunga. So use a pointer, draw a pointer, and then you have to label it. So the label will be Mount Kanchenjunga. So this way you will have to mark the mountain, Mount Kanchenjunga. Now let's go to the second peak. The second peak is Mount Godwin Austen. We also call it as K2. For that we'll have to go to Jammu and Kashmir. If you remember, we have studied Karakoram Pass there, and the pass was drawn in the northern boundary of India here at this depression, right? Now you have to leave this depression, and to the left hand side of this depression means this side, exactly here, you are going to draw a triangle, again a small triangle. The northern tip of the triangle will connect the boundary of India, and the rest of the triangle will fall in India. So that triangle will represent Mount Godwin Austen. I will repeat how to mark. Here, if you remember, we had marked Karakoram Pass. Leave that place, and to the left hand side of that Karakoram Pass, we have to mark a triangle. So let's see how to mark. So let's take black pen in hand and mark the triangle. Again, we have to remember, we have to leave this depression, U-shaped depression for Karakoram Pass. To the left hand side, I will draw a triangle connecting the tip of boundary of India in this manner. So when you draw this triangle, it has to be seen clearly, the place for Karakoram Pass has to be left. So when you draw this triangle, see that it doesn't connect the Indus River at this place. It doesn't cross the boundary of India. It falls in India, but it should not go in China. The northern tip of that triangle can connect to the boundary, and then a triangle has to be drawn. So this triangle is Mount Godwin Austen, or we can call it as K2. Now let's label it. While labeling, we have to draw a pointer, and with capital letters as usual we have to mark it. We can call it as K2 also, or we can call it as Mount Godwin Austen also. You can call it as Mount Godwin Austen. So in this way you have to label Mount Godwin Austen here, and we have learned the second peak, that is Mount Kanchenjunga, at this place. So these are the two peaks in your portion. Thank you.